Good morning students. This is a video for the students of class 7th, subject science, chapter number 16, that is water, a precious resource. It's your lecture number 2. The topics to be covered in this lecture are: first topic is natural resources, second, availability of water on earth, and third one is forms of water. So we will discuss these three topics in today's lecture. So first of all, we will learn that what are natural resources. Any component of the earth that can be utilized by human beings to fulfill their needs is known as natural resource. Means they are not man-made. For example, air, water and soil. These are the natural resources. Now the next topic is availability of water on earth. Means in this topic we came to know that how much water is available on the earth and in which form. So students, about 71% of earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, about 71% of earth's surface is covered with water. And when we look the earth from the space, most of its part appears blue. That's why our earth is called watery planet. Almost 97% of the water available on the earth's surface is present in the seas and oceans. Okay, 97% of the water available on the earth's surface is present in the seas and oceans. And this water is salty, right? This water is salty and cannot be consumed directly. Means we can't use this water. The remaining 3% water is fresh water, and out of which 2% of fresh water is found in frozen form as ice caps on the top of the mountains and in glaciers. Means 2% water is found in the frozen form. That's why we can't use this water also. Okay. Now the remaining 1% of total water on earth is fresh water, which is available as river water, lake water and underground water. and can be used by human beings. It means we can say only 1% of water can be used by human being. Means very small amount of water is available on the earth which can be used by us, which is fit for the human beings. Now this picture, this pie chart, this is called pie chart, okay, and this pie chart shows the distribution of water on the earth. And in this pie chart you can see that the 97% water is salty and the remaining 3% water is fresh water, out of which 2% water is in the frozen form and present in ice caps, and 1% water is fresh water which can be used by human beings. So students, our next topic is forms of water. So water exists in 3 forms. First is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. So there are 3 forms of water: solid, liquid, and gas. The solid form of water, snow and ice, which is present as ice caps and snow covered on the mountains and glaciers. You can see in this picture shows that the mountain is covered with snow, and this snow is the solid form of water. And the liquid form of water is present in oceans, lakes, rivers, and as underground water. Like you can see from this picture that the liquid form of water is present in oceans, lakes, and rivers, and as underground water. So this picture shows the liquid form of water, right? Now the other form of water is gaseous form. The gaseous form of water is water vapor. Okay, the gaseous form of water is water vapors, which is present in air around us. The water vapors is always present in air around us, and the water vapors are the gaseous form of water. Here you can see in this picture that the sunlight falls on the water, that is in liquid form, and when the sunlight falls on this water, then the liquid form of water is changed into gaseous forms, means in water vapors. So students, this is your homework. Question number 1 is choose the correct option. First part is nearly 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with, option A is air. Second option is water. Third option is soil. And the last option is ice. Means you have 4 options, and out of these 4 options only one option is correct. Okay. Second part. Which of the following water is unfit for human consumption? Okay, I repeat. Which of the following water is unfit for human consumption? First option is sea water. Second option, surface water. Third option, groundwater. And the last option is well water. So out of these 4, select the correct one. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A part is snow and ice are dash form of water. B part is water vapors dash form of water. And the last one is C part is 3 form of water are. Means you have to write the 3 forms of water. Okay. Question number 3 is draw a pie chart which shows the distribution of water on earth. I repeat them. Question number 3 is draw a pie chart which shows the distribution of water on earth. Question number 4 is name the 3 forms of water. Okay, you have to write the name of 3 forms of water. Question number 5 is why the earth is called a watery planet. I repeat this question. Why the earth is called a watery planet? So these are the 5 questions for your homework. So do these questions in your fair notebook. So this ends for today's lecture. Thank you, students.